Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a print order on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find the different products, for example, photo book, posters, greeting cards and others. If you want to create a print order, click the second option, the print, and you can select the premium print gloss, print mate, standard glossy or panoramic poster. For example, I want to select the standard glossy. You can select, you can check the size of that, click to the continue button, and just select the different pictures in your device. You can edit that, and click to the add to cart button. And you can add your order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.